It's raining so hard right now. I have to walk to the bus stop. I got a medium rain jacket, but it's so big. Look at this hood. I definitely probably could have done with a different size. I'm really not looking forward to this. Gotta put my phone away though, because I don't want it to get wet. Stupid rain jacket. Okay, story time. So I was on the bus to work and I fell asleep because I was tired and I still am tired. But such an idiot. I missed the stop that I was supposed to get off at. And so I woke up just as not really just as we were pulling away, but we were like halfway down the road and I was like, crap. So I got up and I ran to the front of the bus. I was like, yeah, I missed the stop, I need to get off. And he gave me some serious attitude, but he let me off and then I had to book it to work. And the worst part is it's no one's fault but my own. Like, I can't blame anyone but myself. Which sucks. But yeah, that's my story about how I'm an idiot. But other than that, today was good. It stopped raining when I got to work, so that's good. And I wasn't outside anyway, so I didn't have to deal with the rain. But yeah, other than almost being late to work, I had a good day. So the thing is, if I didn't like sleep the whole way, there's no other stop to get off other than that one stop for me to be able to get to work. I would have had to go back, 40-minute drive back to my complex, and then have another 45-minute drive back to work. And I most definitely would have been late. And I wouldn't be able to blame anyone but myself again, because I'm an idiot. But yeah, it's midnight, and I just got home. So I'm gonna go to bed. Probably won't go to bed, I'm probably gonna watch YouTube. But I'm gonna say right now that I'm gonna go to bed. I'm not going to bed. Anyway, so good night, or morning, whenever you're watching this.